Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video, we have completed 11 pages. Now, next topic is changing shapes. Things you needed. Used matchsticks. So either new or used matchsticks. Piece of rubber tube used in cycle valves. So here, clean the black end of the matchsticks like this. This is the matchstick. You clean it, so that we can get the matchstick. Now, cut small pieces of the tube about 1 centimeter long. This is the cycle valve tube. You cut it into the small pieces of length 1 centimeter. So that means this is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter length. You cut it into the 1 centimeter. Now you do one thing, push two matchsticks into each end of a tube piece like this. This is the rubber tube, and you push one matchstick like this, and you push the other matchstick opposite to the previous one. So like that, add more matchsticks to form a triangle. So like that, you try this activity at home. Now come to the next page. Now make these 4, 5, 6 sided shapes by using tube pieces and matchsticks. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. By using 4 matchsticks and 4 rubber pieces, he made a square shaped figure. So like that, here how many sides this figure has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And figure C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided figure. This is. Now find out how many angles are there. How many angles are there in each of these shape? If you consider the first shape, how many angles are there? So this is the angle. Suppose, let us hope this is the one ray and this is the other ray. So these two rays are meeting at this point. Therefore, the angle is formed. The angle means it is the union of two rays. So one. So this is the second angle and this is the third angle. So how many angles are there? 4 angles. How many are there? 4 angles are there. So in the second diagram, by using these two, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, how many angles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, how many angles are there in this figure? 5 angles. How many angles are there? 5. So now consider the third figure. So this is the angle made by these two arms. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here this figure has 6 angles. Now push each shape. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Suppose if you push towards this direction, what happened? Does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Obviously, yes, the angle will change. Now find out and write your results in the table given. Suppose shape this one. So take second figure. Suppose if you push towards this one, what happened? The shape of the angle will be changed. Therefore, it is S. If you take the third one, triangle. If you take the triangle, so does the angle change when pushed down towards this direction? Obviously, it is no. Why? Because triangles are shapes which are strong and do not change easily when pressed, like this, or like this. That's why, so in fact, so how different shapes are made stronger by using what we call in bridges. So that means the diagonal beams in bridges which divide shapes into triangles. That means triangles are used in these shapes and towers. Why? Because the shapes are strong. Suppose if you press, it does not change easily. Therefore, the answer is no. Now, angle and time. Zenith, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. It is, even though if there are no digits in the dial of the watch, she can say the time exactly. Why? Because by using the hour hand and minutes hand, she can tell the time correctly. So there are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make right angle. Now you draw some more. So it means right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. Right angle means 90 degrees. Suppose here there are many times in a day. So what is the time? What is the time which makes 90 degrees? Suppose let it be the minute hand. So if it is the hour hand, generally hour hand is short in length and minute hand is long in length. So when the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3 o'clock, 3. So what is the angle made between these two legs? So exactly it is 90 degrees. The angle between these two hands is 90 degrees. Therefore, at what time the angle will be 90 degrees? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Did you understand, all of you? At 3 o'clock. Suppose if you take, suppose the hour hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. What is the angle made between these two hands? Here also 90 degrees. So at 9 o'clock, exactly at 9 o'clock. So like that we can, like that, when the hands of a clock make what we call 90 degrees, that is right angle. Now write what kind of angle is made by the hands of these times. Also write the time here. Now what kind of angle is made by the hands? Here this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. So this is the minute hand, isn't it? This is the minute hand and this is the hour hand. So generally hour hand is in short in length and minute hand is long in length. So what is the angle made by these 2 points? Here these 2 hands are meeting at this point. Now what is the angle made here? So is this angle greater than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees? This angle is less than 90 degrees. Why? Because right angle means, so this is the right angle. This is the right angle. So here, if these 2 hands are like this, or we can, I will explain like this. These 2 hands, suppose this is the hour hand and this is the minute. Here the minute hand is towards our hand, towards this direction. So this is 90 degrees. When it moves towards down, the angle will decrease. Therefore, it is less than 90 degrees. Therefore, it is called what we call acute angle. So this angle is called acute angle. And here the time is here the hour hand is in between 7 and 8. Therefore, the time is 7 and minute hand is exactly at 5. That means it covers 25 minutes. So from 12 to 5, how many minutes are covered? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25. Or other words, we can multiply this 5 by 5. We will get minutes. So therefore 725. So we can write the same thing as 725 or 25 minutes. 25 minutes past 7. So we can write the time as like this also. And we can read the time as 25 minutes past 7. And we can write it as 725. So like this. So if you take the second figure. So this is the minute hand. Out of these two hands, which one is the hour hand? Obviously this is the hour hand. Why? Because this is the short in length. So here in between this minute hand and hour hand, the angle made is this one. So is this angle greater than 90 or less than 90? So exactly this is greater than 90 degrees. Why? Because so this is 90 degrees, isn't it? This is 90 degrees. This, suppose if it moves towards away from this one, so the hour hand is like this only. Therefore it is 90 degrees, but it is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore this is greater than 90 degrees. It is called obtuse angle. What we call obtuse? This is called obtuse angle. Therefore the time is 8, what we call 8, and minute hand is at, therefore the time is 8:15. Therefore the time is 8:15. Why? Because the minute hand is at 3. Therefore how many minutes are covered? 3 5s. 3 5s are 15. Therefore the time is 8:15. And we read this one as, so 15 means quarter. Therefore quarter past 8. We read it as quarter past 8. So third one. So here third one is here. The hour hand is at 9 and minute hand is at 2. So the angle made between these two hands is this one. So this is also, is this angle greater than 90 or less than 90? So we can say very easily. Why? Because suppose the hour hand is like this. The position of the hour hand is like this. What is the angle made here? 90 degrees. So this is away from this one. It covers 2 digits, 1 and 2. Therefore this angle is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore it is also called as obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Therefore the time is 9. So minute hand is at 2. Therefore 10. 9:10. And we read it as 10 minutes past. We read it as 10 minutes past 9. So come to the fourth figure. The hour hand, so is in between 9 and 10. In between 9 and 10. Therefore the time is 9 and minute hand is at 5. Therefore 5 5s are 25. The minute hand covers 25 minutes. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5 is 25. Therefore the time is 9:25 and we read it as 25 minutes past 9. And last one is what is the angle made at this? So this is this angle 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees? 90 or less than? Less than 90 degrees. Therefore it is acute angle. Therefore the time is 10 o'clock. 10. Therefore the time is 10 o'clock. Draw the hands of the clock. Draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than right angle. Less than right angle means acute angle. Less than right angle means acute angle. Also write the time. So for example, let me write. So this is 3. What's the time? So the hour hand is in between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 5. Therefore the time is 2. Therefore the time is 2:25. That means 25 minutes past. Time is 25 minutes past. We can read it as 2. And what is the angle made at this point? So this is less than 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. Therefore the make an angle which is less than right angle means it is acute angle. So less than, like that you draw 2 other times here. So this is, try yourself. This is HW. Okay students, let us stop here. We will continue in the next video.